Hey everyone, welcome back to Lens on Trains. This is episode 9 and today we're doing two exciting things, finishing the inside of the tunnel we started a few episodes back and finally placing the last two rail tracks and a beautiful bridge I just got delivered. So let's get straight into it. So we're kicking things off with the tunnel interior. If you remember, I crafted this out of an old exhaust pipe. I wanted it to look authentic even though not much of it will be visible once it's in place. I layered in a mix of rusty browns, dirty blacks and just a touch of dark green to give it that creamy wet tunnel feel. I know it won't be super visible, but details like this really matter when it comes to realism. And once it dried, I glued the tunnel into the pre-cut space I had prepared and started prepping some modeling paste. And you know what comes next, texture time. Working with modeling paste is always satisfying. I wanted to make the area around the tunnel look as natural as possible, like it's always been there, part of the landscape. So I started by dabbing the paste around the tunnel edges, spreading it into the terrain, and then I added small rocks in spread out patterns using a variety of earthy tones to keep it organic. Once the smaller rocks were in place, I went in with larger stones as well, stones which I collected from outside. After placing them in different places, I carefully cleaned out any modeling paste that accidentally got on them during the process. The cleanup step really makes them pop, I would say. Also worth noting, I had already glued down the ballast between the tracks before installing the tunnel. It's a, let's say, tight space, and trust me, it would have been a nightmare trying to get it there after the tunnel was installed. And now for the fun part, let's say, the most exciting part of it, the last two tracks and this gorgeous rail bridge from Knock finally arrived. I started laying everything in place, but of course things weren't quite plug and play. The switch I ordered was a little longer than the original track it was meant to replace, so I had to do a little rearranging, some creative track swapping, but everything eventually lined up just right. A few corner adjustments were needed to make the connections smooth. I ran into this exact issue before, so I knew exactly what to do. And with that, the track layout is officially done. From here on, I can finally focus on building out the rest of the landscape and structures I've been dreaming up. If you're enjoying the process so far, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss episode 10. Where we'll start diving into the buildings and final touches. Thanks for watching Lens on Trains, and I'll see you in the next one.